Okay, so I want to go ahead and introduce to you what you need to do for week 6, which if you scroll down in our site, it will be the week of the 13th through the 19th. And you can see that we're going to be focusing on yes/no questions and question words. If you scroll past the decorative picture, here again will be a description of what we need to do for the week. You've got to study pages 50 to 55 in your text. And after completing this week's activities, you should be able to ask and respond to simple questions in Spanish. All your work for this week is due by the end of the day on the 16th. That includes forum post, everything. And the activities that you're asked to complete this week address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 3. This long image description doesn't mean anything. It's just the text that is here. Since this is a picture, if someone was using a screen reader to access our class, they would be unable, their screen reader couldn't read this text. And so that's just what this is, written out for a screen reader to read. Okay, so you do not have to look at it. The information is right here and it's not even required of you. It's more for decorative purposes. Okay, so just like every other week, the first thing that you need to do is look at the instructor-made videos. And you have videos that go over yes/no questions, que and cuál, interrogative words. Okay, so watch all 3 of those videos. And then after you're done watching those videos, you need to pop back out and, and then go into the class participation forum. In the class participation forum, click on class participation, and then post any questions or hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about the material covered in the instructor videos or any other questions or concerns you have about the class. And even if you have no questions or concerns, I still need you to post in this forum. It is part of your grade. Okay, so then once you're done with that, go back out. Okay, so when we go back out into the class, this week you also have a cultural assignment again. For your cultural assignment, you're going to click right here. You're going to watch each of these videos. If you click on the link, a video will open up. Also, these videos are in Spanish, but I gave you the closed caption, so you can click on the little closed caption button here, click on English, and when you hit play, if I scroll a little bit, you're going to see it'll be speaking in Spanish, but you're going to see the closed captioning in English. Okay, so you're going to need to watch all 3 of those videos, and when you're done, you're going to hit Attempt Quiz Now, and you're going to answer these questions about what you saw. Now, most of them are true or false. The computer is able to grade those correctly. The first 3 are short answer. I have to grade those. More than likely, you may get the answer right, but you may not word it the exact way that I did, and therefore it'll be counted wrong. Just remember that after the assignment is due, I'm going to go back in and I will manually grade it. Okay, so don't bombard me with a lot of emails saying that you think you did better on the quiz than you did. You're probably right, and if you give it until the Friday after the due date, then you'll start to see your grade change. Okay, so after you've done that, you also have SAM activities 211, 212, 217, 218, 219, and 225. So you'll just go into my language labs, which you can do by clicking right there. Okay. And then since the assignments for this week are due on the 16th, actually let me go into student view so it looks the same as what you see. So then you click on the calendar on the 16th and you should be able to find all of the assignments on the calendar. So these are all the things that you have been assigned. Remember, you want to still check what's due, what's assigned in Moodle. I do not tell you that you have to do any tutorials or any extra practice activities. And so if you go out here, you'll notice that there are some tutorials and extra practices on the calendar. Those are just that, extra. If you need the extra, then you can complete it. If you don't feel that you need the extra, you do not have to complete it. The only thing you need to do are the SAM activities that were assigned, and you can see them all right in there. Okay. So hit finish and submit for grading on each activity, and it'll come to me. And make sure that you do it by the due date, by the 16th, or I won't. If you don't do it by the 16th, then you won't get credit for it.